Hello everyone, welcome to ViTech Talks. In this video, we are going to discuss about below DataWeave interview question. Okay, so what is the question here? Let's try to understand the question first before going to solve. The question is like, okay, we need to print the below pattern. The pattern we need to print. So what is happening here? Just observe. So first time we need to print 1, then 1 and 2, then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. So in order to print this one, first you need to know how to print numbers. How to print numbers. So this is first prerequisite. Okay. First we need to know how to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then see what is happening here. So it's like looping concept. You may heard about looping. Okay. Loop is nothing but iterate or repeat the values. Okay. See what is happening. So first time, the very first time, you need to print 1. Then again, here there is an inner loop. Okay. So here two loops will come. One is outer and inner. So outer loop and inner loop. So outer loop execute how many times? 5 times. The inner loop is going to take care about this logic. Okay. So the first time the inner loop has to go for 1 time, then 1 and 2, 2 times, next 3 times, next 4 times, and next 5 times. So how many times the inner loop is going to execute? 2 plus 3, 3. Sorry, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 4, 10, 15 times. So 15 times the inner loop is going to execute or perform. The outer loop is going to execute for only 5 times. So how this is going to happen? We are going to see now. Okay. It's very interesting and it's very important interview question also. Okay. Now you can go to DataWeave Playground or you can open Visual Studio Code. So here I am going to create print pattern1 dot DWL. Okay, save it. So here no need to define any sample data. Now percentage DW 2.0. The data version is 2.0. So now output is JSON. Okay, anyway, I'll change this one. Okay, as of now, you can observe this. Output is JSON. So in order to print numbers, num equal to 1 to 5. 1 to 5. Just observe here. Save it and run. See, this is an array format. Correct. Array or list. Okay. But how we need it? Okay. We don't require this braces. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just observe. In the output, you need to change text slash plain. Okay. Plain. Now if you run this one, it will fail. You will get some errors. So here we need to perform or iterate the values. You can use map Okay, map. You can use, if you want, you can use number or I or something like this. Okay, whatever it is. Number, the lambda function, then number. You can join by and use slash n. So slash n is going to display the value in new line. Okay. Now you can see. So how beautiful it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you want to print 10, see the previous one is different. It is an array format. Okay. Now this is plain text 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10. So now you know how to print the numbers. Okay. Up to 1 to 5 or 10, whatever it is. Now the outer loop is done. Outer loop is done. Okay. So here I want to use inner loop also. So how to use this? Okay. So just I have commented out that one. Okay, just observe. Okay, or else what I will do, I'll use this itself. Okay, number, it's a 1 to 10 and number. So instead of number, I'll keep it as I here. Okay, I. See, you can keep any value, but for my understanding purpose, I'm going to use I and J. So I for outer loop and J for inner loop. Okay. Now try to see this one. What I will do, just observe. Give one enter here. Okay, give one enter. Give one enter. Or two. Okay. So here we need to perform the logic. So from where it has to start? Always it should start from 1, right? 1, 1, 2. First time 1, next time 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now see, I'm going to keep it as 1, 2, I. So first time, what is I? 1. 1 to 1. Okay. Then same logic. You need to apply map. So instead of items, I'll keep it as J here. J. Okay. J as, okay, if it is a number, you can keep it as number, or else you can keep it as string. So that will be fine. Now join by 2 spaces here. Join by 2 spaces. Now not required of I. Okay, if you give I, what will happen? We'll see later. Okay, this is the logic. It's very simple. So this is the outer loop. So this is one is inner loop. Now just to save it. Now see the beauty. Now let me increase the font. Okay. Now see the beauty of this one. Okay. For testing purpose, I'll keep it as only 5. So this is what we are expecting. Correct. This is what we are expecting. So even if you remove this one, it will work. It will work because these are the numbers. Okay. Not required as string or as number. So sometimes we need to keep it as number if it is required. If you want to print something as number, it is required. So that you need to keep it, or else you can remove this. So now see what we are doing. So how it is going to execute. Let me explain here. So we are printing J value. We are not printing I value. I'll show you if I replace with I, what will happen. Okay, what will happen? So first thing is number 1 to 5. I need to iterate. Okay, I'm going to consider as I here, I, then inner loop. So 1 to 1. Okay, so 1 to 1 means how many times it will get execute? One time. One time. J contains what? 1. So it will print 1. Okay, it will print 1 and it will give spaces and it will come out of this one. So what is the next value? 1 is done. Next 2. So 1 to 2 means how many times it is going to execute? 2 times. So first time it will print 1 and 2 and it will give the spaces. And after this, okay. So after executing inner loop, it will come here and join by slash n. Slash n is nothing but it will come and display in a next line. Okay. It will come and display in next line. Now the same way. So what is 3? Okay. I is 3 here. So 1, 2, 3 means okay. So 3 times it is going to run. So J. So first time it will be 1 and second time J will be 2 and third time J will be 3 because 1, 2, 3. Then it will come to next line and it will go for next value. Like this it is going to print. Okay. So you can practice once. Okay. Just you can practice one time so that you will get to know how it is going to execute. Now see the beauty of this one. If I change instead of J, I'm going to keep it as I. What is our output? Just observe here. Now you can see the beauty of this. Now one question, okay, there is one question. There is one interview question. We did it for 2 ways. So one is for this one, print the below pattern. Okay, next pattern is this one, correct? See what is the difference between these two? Just observe here. So here 1 and 1, 2 is there. Okay, 1, 2, 3 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 1 is printing 1 time, 2 is printing 2 times, 3 is printing 3 times, 4 is 4 times, 5 is 5 times. So this is the logic. So what is the logic? Only 3 lines of code. See, as many you want, you can change it. Suppose you want to keep it as 7, then do it 7. See this time how it is going to execute. So the same way. So first time 1, okay, I contains 1, 1 to 1. So it is printing 1 here. So next time I is going to change as 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay. Now the I value is 2. It will come to 1 to 2. So first time it will print. See what it is contains. I contains 2, right? Okay. The very first time it will print 2. So again there is a 2. It print again 2. So like this it is going to print. Okay. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 44556677, like this. Okay. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching this. Happy learning. So if you have any doubts or concerns, please do comment in a comment section. I'll happy to assist you for the same. Okay. Thank you. I'll come up with another interview question. Happy learning.